Say no.
Wait! I'm gonna do the intro. Oh my God. So guys, I'm here with Cornman. With that has 1,000 subs. Okay. Never talk. That's his real voice. Okay. I'm not gonna do the face. Okay. I already did the face reveal, but I'm not gonna leak Cornman's face reveal. I'm not. See? Stop.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna check the, the radar. I think there's an EF.
Bro!
Yo,
Bro.
I think my name is Andrew Dingus.
Dingusberry 123.
Spawn EF.
Span 960 for vehicle. Cornman said like Cornman said like 1 second ago the vehicle's more like a pickle.
Anit chichi. Aul alde achi nga ukinicha amo wala.
Stop!
Alu achi ini ekuka o.
Stop making those disturbing noise.
Aju ini aul. I'm just gonna. I don't know if this is when. I think I need to say it by command. Fly. I think it didn't work.
Okay.
What about this? I think it didn't work again.
I know you have the.
I think I have to.
Bro, the Dominator 2 is temporarily disabled on me.
Because it's getting fixed.
Oh, I didn't know that because it's literally my first stop.
Fly me, yay! It says fly me, and what the nigger is.
What the heck did
Do
you
I
say?
need to say this? If this works, I'm gonna nigger me.
What did Bruce say?
Spawn
Bruce
EF5.
gonna booger him. Bruce.
Why did I spawn an EF5? Let's see.
Bruce said the PS5. Bruce said the PS5.
Oh, bro, look at the radar.
Because
Look at
it's
the radar.
radar. Okay, that was actually a bad joke. Okay. Tornado. Utav. Yeah, let's do the Utav.
Do you see something?
Wait, is Utav a YouTuber?
Huh?
Yeah, I know. I know Bro's a YouTuber. Search him up right now, chat.
How did you know?
I literally watch one of his friends. By the way, I think his friends is me and you.
Wait, I'm a fly real.
Never fly on your life or I'm gonna
I'm a fly real quick, dog.
Never! Bro sucking. No.
Bro, look, I'm gonna fly you too. Fly K.
No, don't bro, don't say my real name. No. We cannot leak my real personal name. No.
Are you flying right now?
I think yes. Yeah.
Oh,
We have
let's
admin
find
command.
the
Okay,
EF.
bro.
Let's find the EF5.
A PS5? What? A PS5?
Yeah, there's an EF5 right towards
the farm.
In the sewers.
Hey yo! No. Where are you at?
Bro, I don't know. I think that's
Bro
10
screamed and
TF5
broke
dog.
his mic.
TF5 dog, it's so large. It's just like that one game in Twisted.
Just Super Mario Galaxy. Okay, bro. I actually played that. I actually play Mario. I actually play Mario Kart. Yeah. On an arcade. Yeah.
Hey, can we unfly dog? Okay. I'm just gonna spawn my vehicle.
Pickle?
So I can...
What? Pickle?
I'm gonna-
What? A pickle?
I'm gonna intercept
Is this a
I'm
pickle
gonna
right
intercept.
here? Is this a pickle?
Yeah, I'm gonna place a
Bro said this is a pickle. Wow. Bro said this is a pickle. No, 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 no,
I
no,
just-
no, 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 no. Okay, bro.
Okay, let's see. Will the vehicle survive?
The tornado.
Okay, how do you unfly?
Oh.
It's
My God. Bro,
I
that's a
mean-
big old tornado. Nah, 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 nah. That's
Okay,
big
I think
old.
the-
That's big and
I
old.
think the Storm River is dead. Look,
Bro,
I think he's dead.
bro, Cornman, this is a big old and old tornado. Nah, 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 nah.
Bro, I think the storm... Oh, I think he... I
Do you
think the
don't
Storm
know me,
River
bro? I
died.
know you, but
How do
guys,
you unfly,
I-
dog?
I
How
met
do you
I met
unfly?
Cornman in real life, like actual.
How do you unfly? Wait.
Do you not know anything, by the way?
Unfly me. Does it work? Oh, it works. It works. I
Bro,
thought it doesn't work. I'm gonna spawn the vehicle now. Vehicle? Oh no, a
Bro
tornado
said
is
this is-
coming.
bro
Oh
said
my god! Oh my god! I'm flying! I'm flying!
I cannot
I
even
think
see your
I'm dead.
screen, chat. Oh, no chat. No.
I don't need to
Where
press
in the world
reveal.
are you? Where in the hecking world are you?
My Storm River died. River?
Bro said a river, by the way, huh? Oh my god, oh my god, my screen is shaking from the tornado.
Because of the tornado. Because it's a
I
tornado.
already said
dog.
tornado, by the way, before you.
My god, Nika.
Bro,
Let's remove...
There's some
let's remove
particles here.
tornadoes.
there's some particles. That's what I was gonna
Bro,
say.
reset. Let's reset. Let's reset.
Never reset on your
Reset.
Where are you
Bro, I said-
even? Where in the world are you at? At what at?
Bro, I think I bugged. Wait.
Bro, let me see your screen. Where are you? Bro
Bro,
said
I
this.
reset.
This game doesn't know anything. Bro said he reset, but the tornado's still there.
I reset. Go reset. Right now.
Scream until your house breaks.
Bro, just
Scream until
reset.
your house breaks.
I said just reset.
I know. Just scream before your
Yeah.
house breaks.
Your denominator's getting cooked. Look, oh, it's getting lofted.
What do you do even say a Filipino world? A world. The heck, bro? I'm
I'm
go on the
not-
ground. I'm actually in the heavens.
Oh my god.
I'ma go
Did
to
you
the
even
heavens.
reset?
I'ma go to the
Bro,
heavens.
did you even reset? Bro, did you even
Because
reset?
last reset of any time.
Reset! Bro, I think I have to find
Scream,
you literally.
reset until your literal house breaks. Yeah, breaks.
But I already reset, you god! Bro,
Bro,
stop
bro.
rage baiting me.
Bro. Like, bro. Bro.
Bro, just reset.
I said it. His house break. His house broke.
I said reset already.
I'm already lang.
Just rejoin.
Yeah.
Just rejoin.
Yeah. I'm gonna rejoin right now. Because
Okay.
rejoin or I'm Brr.
What?
I'm gonna rejoin and we are gonna be ending the video. Okay, bro.
What do you mean?
I mean not. This is gonna be 20 minutes.
Okay,
What?
bro, I'm gonna find the EF5 tornado.
If it's already 20 minutes in the video, bro, nothing. We're already gonna play my game, my terrifying game that gives you
Bro,
a
I
heart
didn't
attack.
do that. Bro, I didn't do that. I'm gonna spawn the storm chaser.
The storm chaser?
Let's chase a tornado. Let's chase.
Bro said
my
let's
God,
chase something. Bro said let's chase our head. He said that.
What do you mean though? How many tornadoes
And
are
shake
there?
our
1, 2, 3,
head.
4,
Yeah, shake
5,
our head.
6,
Not-
7.
not
I
in
think
a weird way.
there's 7 tornadoes. There's 7 tornadoes right now.
Oh my God. 7
Look at the
tornadoes?
radar.
That's not even possible in real life. Only like 2 or 3 or 6, 7. Okay, bro.
It's possible in real life, by the way.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we better run because we might collide the tornado. Okay, we surviving this. Do you see that? Do you see that?
I didn't
Do
hear
you see that big thing? Do you see that big thing? Look. Do you see that?
I don't hear you.
Righteous.
Oh, yeah, I
Do you
actually hear you, bro. Okay, bro.
Bro.
Blah,
Let's
blah, blah,
intercept
blah, blah.
this. Let's intercept. Stop. Intercept. Deploy. I'ma leave first.
Yo!
And now go. Let's see.
Oh
my God,
my!
it's strong. We might
It's
get
strong,
lost
man. It's strong, my. Okay, what the heck am I saying?
We
Okay.
might get lofted.
Wait. Wait.
See, I'm gonna tell you something. Warning! It's a 200 miles per hour.
What?
You can call out, by the way. We
What?
are inside of the tornado. We're in the eye of the tornado.
Okay, bro. Like.
Bro, how many spikes does this have? 1,
Bro.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Bro literally said a brain rot.
11.
Like actual.
11, bro. 11 spikes on this vehicle, by the way. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. No.
I think we are dead.
Yo, I think it's broken. It cannot move.
Oh, look at the car, pre. Look at the car.
Bro,
Look at the fatal
the car
incident.
is literally sinking on the ground right now. Bro, look at that. It's sinking on the ground.
Oh, let's risk.
It's actually
let's
sinking
try
on the
again.
ground, bro.
Okay. I
Bro,
made it.
it's getting me. It's actually getting me. Okay.
Okay, you're in the car.
Wait!
You're already in the car, pre. Okay, let's
Okay.
go.
Oh my God. I'm just gonna...
You're watching our video right now.
Bro, I'm not... Bro. I'm not watching the video when I'm playing. I'm not a
this is so
computer
big.
guy. I'm a mobile guy.
We're not gonna lie. There's a this right now.
Okay. What the heck is bro saying?
Should we intercept it again?
Anchor what?
Intercept.
Interceptor? What?
Okay, bro, I think we're getting dead.
Never in a million life.
Bro.
I'm just gonna turn
I
around.
only did the voice reveal, not a face reveal.
Yeah, voice reveal. So you can talk on your videos. Like actually.
I don't talk in my videos, by the way.
Yeah, this is actually.
Bro, I can deploy. I cannot deploy. Oh,
Bro, bro,
let's leave.
don't
Let's
say
leave.
my
We
name
might die.
on front of the video.
I'm not
Don't
even
say
saying
my
it
real
now.
name on front of the video, like, bro, actually.
Bro, I'm not even saying.
Yeah, like, actually, I'm just gonna tell you that until it's the end of the video. Like,
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell the name.
no.
Kid. My name is
Oh.
Andrew Dingus. Oh, shit.
Sing.
Oh my god, we are flying.
Oh my god, we're flying and bonk.
Array, my head. My head. Oh my god, the car
No,
is
in a million years.
The car is still fine.
The car? Yeah, the car. Okay.
This is still called a car. But for a short
Wait,
time,
I'm
it's called
recording.
a
Oh, wait lang.
Impulsa.
Wait, I'm recording here. Yeah, I'm here on the tornado. Guys, we're gonna go to the tornado. Okay, bro. That was
Let's
actually
go.
cringe.
Let's go
That
eat
was
this
actually
tornado.
cringe. Oh
Guys, this tornado.
Oh my god.
Roll.
Bro,
we
we
might
just
go to
passed
the-
the clouds. Bro, we just
Oh my,
passed the
this-
clouds.
Oh my god.
Bro, we're heaven. We're in heaven.
I think I broke the car.
Yeah, it's literally
I think-
sinking in the ground.
Because
It's sinking
Oh,
in the
let's
ground, bro. Bro, it's actually sinking in the ground.
okay, I'm gonna. Bro, you intercept. While I scan the tornado speed. Deal?
What? I didn't hear you because of that TV.
Setting it.
What?
And I will be scanning the tornado.
Oh, okay. Bro's gonna be tracking, scanning the
On a beacon.
Bro's gonna be scanning the tornado.
Or something.
We have 2 minutes to play my game. By the way,
Okay, bro. I'm gonna soon.
by
After this-
BTW.
Spawn some cars. Or
Bro.
spawn the
Bro, I cannot move. Okay. Bro, the tornado's actually pulling me for a second there. Okay, Can I get on a car? Can I even get on the car? Can I get on a car? Oh my.
I think I spawned the tornado. Yes, I
There.
spawned it.
Okay,
Bro, I think what?
let's do it. Okay, bro.
Bro,
We have exactly 1 minute to play my game, and I think we're gonna get jump scared na, bro. To play my scary game. Okay. Bro, where are you at? Where?
Rivals and I will join you.
Rivals? No, my game. My game. My exactual game, man.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna join your game.
Wait. I'm gonna go to more and create. I'm gonna create not. Okay, bro.
Bro, be faster. I'm waiting.
Wait.
I said, can we
Wait.
go yet? I did not say that.
let's do the quiet. It's actually super the quiet. Yeah. Bro. Wait, let me do it again. Just wait.
Bro, I'm lagging
Just please wait, bro. Like actually.
Bro, I'm already waiting though.
Bro. There. This is actually super scary. Join me. Right now. Like actually right now, or I'm just gonna get jump scared out of no.
Bro, I can play your game. It says moderate. I can play your game.
What?
I can.
Bro. What?
I'ma watch you play the game. Let's see. Let's see your game. Join it. I can play it.
Bro, just what?
How did you make that?
Bro, like yesterday, I was on my computer creating.
Oh, that's crazy.
Want to see more?
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Let me see if I can join your game.
Bro, you're actually gonna get jump scared and throw your phone. Okay, bro.
Bro, don't get me jump scared. It's middle of the night.
Okay, bro. Then let's do. Do we do energy fight? Wait, I forgot that was private. Okay. Let's do the quiet.
Wait.
What?
Bro, wait. Let me test if I can join you. Your,
You can join?
I'm gonna-
You can join? Oh my god.
I see your experience.
Okay. Join them. Oh my god. Jump scared. Join. But don't get jump scared, please, bro.
I'm cheating game. Should I join you?
Can you join?
Oh, I'm joining.
Yeah, okay.
It's name is Bending Cheating Game.
What?
Bro.
You cannot join?
Oh, wait. I forgot. Bro. Bro.
What?
Is it a Firebit server? Or not?
It's a public server. What are you talking about?
Why can I join? It says you don't have permission to join.
Wait. I think it needs to be public. It's limited, bro.
Oh my god, I'm gonna test.
Bro. Chill out.
Oh my god, what is this? Land or die? Wait, while you fix your game, I will play this land or die.
Bro, how about this? Madness. Do I play it, Madness? Do I play the Madness game?
I don't know.
It's actually super scary. Yeah. The sky is blood. Actually. Like, bro, look at the description right there. Okay, that's not even scary. Okay. Wait. Do you evade Timu? Sorry, your call was dropped. Mama, na-drop daw yung call.
Baka nalobat si Kyrie.
Nalobat si Kyrie. Niya, moton. Ha? Hindi inend lang ni Messenger yung call.
Totoo ba?
Yes. Yamatan. Inend ni Mes.
Apil, tingnan mo.
Land or die. Ginin ko si Kylie. Land or die. Mama, sa likod. Sa likod ako. Wait. I actually joined and
Wala, naka-down ng Facebook.
bro, Messenger in Facebook was down. Bro, no way. It was down. I did not know that. Where's bro? Where? What? Where is bro at? Wait, let me follow the arrow. Cover view. Pilot deck. Ah, that's crazy. We're going to the Troll Tower game? Oh, no, bro. What did you say? 6-7? Okay. Bro, we need fuel. It's actually dropping right now. We need fuel. Bro, we don't need fuel. Bro, we need fuel. It's going down once in a bit. It's
Such a good loadout for you and such a bad loadout for me. No, the odds are not in my favor.
bro. Let me put in the concentration, okay?
Weapons that you're better at.
Hey, where's the fuel? Oh, fuel. Take food, take fuel. Okay. No fuel. Find. Wait. A fuel. Pick it up. Bro, wait. Oh my god, I need to go there. Okay, wait. Okay.
Crazy.
Bro,
And you lost on
my
this
god.
version, just like I said. Oh my gosh, not painful
I'm-
again.
You do realize I'm in the lead still, right? I'm still in the lead, right? Under these three legendary team battles are mine.
Just
Bro, I'm clicking it.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Oh my god, amazing.
Click and hold the interact button. Oh.
Yeah!
Bro, where's the interact button?
not giving us painful.
There's
Oh, this version.
nothing. There's none interact button, bro.
Player here. Why did you not go like that? There we go.
Did it,
I'm trying to run.
is land or die? Even
Oh my
even know anything?
Oh no, not the paintball again.
Oh my god.
Loadout very good at.
Oh my god. Literally the last round of